ab work to keep you strong and powerful. Let's do this in less than 8 minutes and you're ready to celebrate a new you. Lay on your back, hands behind your head, knees pointing to the ceiling. Pulsate those hips towards the ceiling. There you go. Try to lift the shoulders off the mat and bring those shoulders towards your knees. Keep your knees straight. Keep going. Beautiful. There you go, girl. Keep going. Now lift and hold for a few seconds. Release and hold again few seconds. Release and give yourself a break. Back to starting position. Straight the legs now and lift those hips and shoulders. You have a choice to hold the pose for a few seconds. Lift the hips and hold. Release. Hold. Keep going on this pattern. Hold a little bit longer. Release. Hold for a count of 2 and release. Making those abs stronger. Hold. Release. Hold. Release. Let it go. Rest your knees on top of your chest. Rock from side to side. Feel the life force vibrating through you. Open your knees wide. Interlace your fingers. Lift your shoulders off the ground and pulsate. Holding. Releasing. Holding. Press the belly button towards the spine. Squeeze. Hold for longer periods of time. Keeping the shoulder blades wide. Pulsate. Relax the face. Hold. Release. Hold. Release the pose. Press the knees on top of your chest and rock from side to side. Let's work on the obliques. Bring your knees wide and tap the ankles. Tap. Tap one side and tap the other. Tap. Keep tapping. How far can you reach? Knees wide apart, reaching longer towards your ankles, towards the outer edge of your feet. Moving the feet up and down, make it fluid movements. Knees wide apart, hold, pulsate. Engage the belly button, hold. Release completely. The good news is we are halfway done. Oh yeah. Come to starting position. Hug one knee and straight the opposite leg. Choice to lift your shoulders off the ground. Choice to keep one foot on the floor at all times. Keep alternating those legs. Relax the face. Squeeze the belly button towards the spine. Keep going. We are almost done with this session. You can do this. You can do this. Yes. One more each side. Hug both knees and rest on the ground. Straight the left leg and hug the right knee towards your chest. If you have the mobility, bring your right knee inside your right elbow. Choice to keep left foot on the floor or off the ground. Rock from side to side. Don't strain your knee. No pinching here. If there is any pinching, adjust your position. Hold. Release, let go. Opposite side. Straight the right leg and press your left knee on top of your chest. Again, if you have the flexibility, cradle that left knee inside the left elbow. Squeeze the belly button towards the spine. Choice to keep the right foot on the ground if it is too heavy. Squeeze. Keep bringing everything to the midline. Release. Rest. Yes, we are so close to the finish line. You are doing great. This final session is all about playing. Open the legs wide, spread the arms, shoulders, swimming with the infinite. Explore your edges. Find poses, find shapes, find you. Make it fun, keeping your face cool. Remember to smile and swim. Swim with the essence of you. Swim with the essence of life. Create moments to pause and hold the pose. Let go of any tensions on your shoulders. Playfulness. Allow yourself to play. Explore. Be creative. Close your eyes and just allow your body to explore the movements from a place of inner knowing. Come to your back and release. We finished. We crossed the finish line. That's right. Have a victory dance and celebrate strong abs, empowering you.